Hey guys, today we are reviewing this pressure washer. Comes with a manual, extension, foaming bucket, 2 batteries, everything you need in the package. So this is the unit itself. On and off button on the back, display on the back as well, trigger right here, battery goes on the bottom. Overall so far pretty nice. Here's our water hose and all of our accessories, charging cable, different nozzles and more. First, connect this piece by pushing in and then turning, locking in place. Then for this piece, which is adjustable, you can change the different flow settings. That's going to go in the same. You're going to line this up by twisting, push in, and then turn. This piece is going to go in here. You're just going to drop this down, push down in, apply pressure until you hear a click. Then you're going to take this cap off like this, and then we're going to set that right here. We're going to take our line, take your line, go through the cap like this, and then connect your line up in here, push it up as far as you can. And then once you do that, you're going to take your cap, you're going to thread it back on once you have the line up in. Take this line, put it in here, and then go ahead and put this in water, put your battery in, and you're ready to go. When you put this down in water, go ahead and tap it a bunch of times under the water, and that should help it sink at least halfway down. Some people tie different stuff for weight, or you can put more of the line inside. You can select your setting by, once it's on, pressing the middle power button. Now this one seems to be leaking right at the seal. So okay, so it's leaking because you need to have it straight. See this little lip right here? It's got to be straight on whatever nozzle selection you have, and then it won't leak. So and again, you can change your selection. And it shows your battery level on here as well.